Quadrilaterals, Worksheet 1. Question 1. Name this shape. This is a square. B. Label the figure by marking the equal sides. All four sides are equal to one another. C. Are the opposite sides of the figure equal in length? All four sides are equal, therefore the opposite sides are equal. Question D. Draw the diagonals of the figure. A diagonal is a line from one corner of a figure to the opposite corner of the figure. There's the first diagonal and there's the second diagonal. E. Are the diagonals equal in length? Yes, they are the exact same length. Pause this video to complete question 1 and 2 by yourself. Question 3. Name each of the following quadrilaterals. Clearly label the figures by marking the parallel sides, the equal sides, and equal angles. Pause this video to complete question 3 and question 4 by yourself. Question 5. Complete the table. Place a tick in the correct box. Let's look at the square. A. All four sides are equal in length. That is true. B. Opposite sides are equal in length. If all four sides are equal, that means that opposite sides have to be equal. C. Opposite sides are parallel. We know that that is true. And finally D. All angles are equal in size. That is true, they are all right angles. Pause this video to complete question 5. Worksheet 2, question 1. Let's complete it together. A. Name the shape. This is a rhombus. B. Label the figure by marking equal sides. A rhombus has got 4 equal sides. It's a pushed over square. C. Are the opposite sides of the figure equal in length? Those two sides are equal and those two sides are equal. Therefore, this is true. D. Draw the diagonals of the figure. There's one diagonal and there's a shorter diagonal. Let's look at E. Are the diagonals equal in length? No. We can see that that diagonal is longer than that diagonal. Pause this video to complete question 1 and 2. Question 3. Name each of the following quadrilaterals. Clearly label the figures by marking the parallel sides, the equal sides, and equal angles. Remember, in a rhombus and a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal in size. Therefore, this angle is equal to that angle, and this angle is equal to that angle. Pause this video to complete question 3 and question 4 by yourself. Question 5. Complete the table. Place a tick in the correct box. Let's do the parallelogram together. A. All four sides are equal in length. That is not true for the parallelogram. B. Opposite sides are equal in length. That is true. A parallelogram has 2 lengths and 2 widths. C. Opposite sides are parallel. That is true. D. All angles are equal in size. That is not true. And E. Both pairs of opposite angles are equal in size. That is true. Pause this video to complete question 5. Worksheet 3, question 1. Let's complete this together. Name this shape. It is a trapezium. Label the figure by marking the parallel sides. That side is parallel to that side. That side and that side are not parallel. They are not the same distance apart. D. Draw the diagonals of the figure. There's one diagonal and there's another diagonal. D. Are the diagonals equal in length? For this specific trapezium, the diagonals are going to be equal in length, so it's true. However, for other trapeziums, this is not always going to be true. Pause this video to complete question 1 and question 2. Question 3. Name each of the following quadrilaterals. Clearly label the figures by marking the parallel sides, the equal sides, and the equal angles. Let's do B together. This is a kite. In a kite, it has 2 short sides that are equal and 2 long sides that are equal. The sides which are next to one another are equal. The opposite angles of a kite are not equal in length. A kite has got no sides which are parallel, and a kite has only got one pair of opposite angles that are equal, and it is those two. Pause this video to complete question 3 and question 4 by yourself. Question 5. Let's complete for the trapezium together. A. All 4 sides are equal in length. That is not true. B. Opposite sides are equal in length. Also not true. C. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is true. D. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. That is not true. E. One pair of opposite angles are equal in size. That is not true. And F. Both pairs of opposite angles are equal in size. Also not true. Pause this video to complete question 5. Worksheet 4. Draw a sketch of each of the quadrilaterals below. Clearly label the figures by marking the diagonals, the parallel sides, the equal sides, and equal angles. Pause this video to do so. Question 2. These are the diagonals of which quadrilaterals? Let's do the first one together. If I join up the shape, we see that this is a kite. Do the same for the other 2 diagonals. Pause this video to do so. Question 3 and question 4. Complete the table. Place a tick in the correct box. Pause this video to do so.